Hello there guys, it's Joel here, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for today's video. It's been such a long time coming. I think I pre-ordered these in, when was the show? May? I think it was in May, at the end of May. So I pre-ordered these then, and they finally come into stock. So they shipped them out yesterday. And I'm so in love with them. I can't wait to show you guys. As you can tell from the title already, they are the Balenciaga steroid boots. These are from the Spring 23 collection, which was in the New York Stock Exchange. The show was alongside the Adidas collaboration, and the steroid boots were like instantly a meme because of how like oversized and ridiculous they look. But I love them so much, and I think they look so sick with outfits. I feel like the version that they produced is actually a little bit less ridiculous, which I'm kind of sad about, but they still look massive. Like, they're still huge giant boots. We'll compare them to other stuff as well, so you can see. So this is the holiday bag for Balenciaga. At the moment it's silver with the silver logo. Last year it was gold. I also thought the box was going to be like huge, but it's not crazy big. I mean, it's big, but they are boots after all. I feel like the master boot box was bigger. On the side you have the little info, steroid boot. So I actually went for a 41, just because I know that Balenciaga boots are always huge, size-wise. Put them in the light so you can see them. And here they are in all their glory. I feel like they're really weird to describe, because they're not the same as the Trooper boot. The rubber Trooper boot were rubber, right? But these are kind of like that, but not really. These are super lightweight. The sole feels like a kind of foam, but then like plastic on the bottom. It's very hard to describe. They're extremely rigid here and on the sides. And then there's actually like, the shape of them goes around the tongue as well. If you can see what I mean here, like there's a cutout for where the tongue should be, obviously because the material is so like rigid. Obviously the toe box is fucking massive. So the product description says they are an EVA upper. I am assuming an EVA is a type of plastic. Oh yeah, ethylene vinyl acetate, whatever that means. They have a treaded rubber sole, front lace closure. The laces are super long, but I love like how they're, when you knock them at the top and then just fall down like that. They are obviously like a military boot that's just been like pumped up, hence the name steroid. They also do a derby in this as well, which looks super cute. And these retail at the moment for $9.95. I'm just obsessed. Like, I've tried them on. I filmed a reel with them already, and the outfit that I put together I love. And so I thought today as well, because I want to show you what they look like on and going places and doing stuff, I need to go into Central to pick up my broken MacBook, which is now on fix apparently. So we'll head into Central London and wear these. I find a really like funny, interesting detail on these is like where a boot would be like kind of stitched all around the sole and like the upper and stuff like that. They've still put that, but it's obviously just like molded plastic. But they've just chosen to keep that in, which I think is a really nice touch. Yeah, EVA is a thermoplastic. I'm intrigued to see how comfortable they will be, because yeah, I'm just not sure. I don't know if I even need to bother undoing the laces, really. Like, I don't think it will make that much of a difference. So it's basically just like a giant hole to stick my feet in. Okay guys, so let's try them on. I'm going to tuck my joggers into my sock. Ooh. I don't think the laces even have any effect on like the actual boot itself. It's like dipping your toe in a pool. Oh wow. I'm really intrigued because there's no like give. Do you know what I mean? Like I can't bend my toe. I can't like kneel down, if you know what I mean. So that should be interesting. They're basically like this shape, and that's kind of it. Also, I was thinking as well, they're kind of like the rubber trooper boots in that like if they get scuffed, they'll show, but that is like the whole beauty of them. And then maybe in like a few months' time, they'll look completely destroyed and unique compared to other people's. It's like the numbers on the runners, like it's supposed to come off. They're supposed to look messed up and fucked up because like you wearing them has done that, and that's the beauty of it, if you know what I mean. Whereas people are messaging me like, oh, my numbers have rubbed off, and it's like, yeah, they're supposed to. That's the point. Just for size reference, I thought I'd show you the leather trooper boots next to the steroids, along with a pair of New Balance, just so you can kind of see the size. So they are quite big still. I don't think they're super huge, but they are very large. Okay, we've swapped over to the phone now. So I've got my AS Clo oversized padded bomber. I've got an Arcana sample hoodie underneath, which I've been wearing a lot on Instagram and people keep asking me about, which I'm very excited. More and more will be coming in the new year, and I'll explain everything. Arcana sample t-shirt underneath as well. AS Clo kind of burnt joggers, I think. I don't know what you would call them. They're like bleach stained, but they're supposed to be. They're super baggy, which is why I've paired them with the steroids, because I feel like a really baggy trouser tucked in looks really good with them. So yeah, they're like squeaking. But we'll see. I think the one thing that's going to be difficult, as I find with both Balenciaga shoes, is stairs. So yeah, I'm gonna grab my stuff together and then head to Central to go to the Apple store to pick up my laptop. Okay, first of all, the steps in my house we have to conquer. Interesting. I think we'll be okay, but just I look a bit weird when going down the stairs. Ooh. The lace came undone straight away and it looked so ridiculous because the laces are so big. Okay guys, I'm on the train. Initial thoughts. It's a short walk from my house to the train station, so I feel like I have just a little idea so far. Initial thoughts are they are a lot comfier than the rubber trooper boots. Like my feet don't hurt at the moment, so that's good. They are very cumbersome like the hard Crocs, but I kind of knew that would be the case because they're massive fucking shoes. So like, imagine having little tiny tennis rackets on each foot and then like walking. It's like you're expanding the size of your foot outwards. So I'm not very nimble, let's just say that. Like I can't like quickly skip and run for a train, if you know what I mean. So that's why I left enough time to get here early, so that I wouldn't be rushing. One thing that I am concerned about is stairs. London Underground has a lot of stairs and steps, so we shall see. But other than that, so far, no complaints. That's about it. I don't know, my short review. Okay, so I'm at Oxford Street now. It's really funny because like, at first glance you don't notice anything strange, but on the tube when I was like sat down, it was more like I could clock when people saw them. Not that I give a fuck anyway, but it's just interesting to see people's reactions. Like one woman was like, and then an old man was like, and it's just like, they're just big silly boots, like.
Laptop is all good, battery replaced. That was actually really quick, like I gave it in on Tuesday and then they've emailed back on Saturday to say it's ready when they said it's going to take 10 days. So that's good. Might try and find somewhere for lunch. So I'll catch you in a bit. Hey guys, thought I'd find a spot so I could show you how they look when walking. So I just got off the phone with Scott and he reminded me that it's the fucking train strikes today. So I just checked and basically my trains home finish at 1. So if I stay out for lunch now, I'm gonna really struggle to get home. So I'm gonna head home now, which is really annoying because it kind of ruins the point of the video, but I'm glad that I at least came out in them, got to see them in the wild, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm kind of glad I'm on my way home because they are rubbing like a little bit on my ankles. No. What the fuck is that bone called?
So full disclosure, my feet have been rubbing a little bit here. What is that? That's the ankle. I don't know what that is. The inside of my foot. But I guess most shoes do rub, although they are looking a little bit like it's gonna tear the skin, which is not fun. But yeah, maybe thicker socks next time. I guess it's this bit here, which kind of supports your foot anyway. All in all though, nothing crazy, like they did not hurt as much as the Trooper boots. Like I literally wanted to throw those boots away at one point. All in all though, these get a pretty good review from me. I think I could wear them for a long period of time. They are quite comfy. I do think I should just wear thicker socks next time. Maybe some cushioning on the inside of my foot. But apart from that, they're great. I really love them. I love them with a baggy pant. I can't wait to style them with like maybe like a legging and a short. I think that would be really, really cool. Like I said, I did size down, so I'm usually a 42 EU, but I went to a 41. And they still feel a little bit roomy, but I think I learned my lesson with the Rubber Trooper boots. They were too small. So yeah, I would go one size down in these. Try them on in a store if you can. But yeah, apart from that, I think these are great. I love these. I'm glad they're finally out. I can't wait to start styling them. Any questions you have, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.